update. We lost 2 of our biggest guineas to the dogs. Well, you might be asking yourself, why does that justify having to kill the dogs? Well, it's not the first time we've had one called Brownfoot killed 7 of our ducks. This was a couple years ago. And we got the guineas, and pretty sure they got our first set of chickens. But I'm not entirely, I don't know on that one. I wish I had gotten cameras a long time ago. I don't think it's really affected me yet. I don't know. I've lost a lot. In the past year, we have lost a lot. 4 dogs. All of them were our big dogs that warded off stuff that would kill these. So now we don't have anything. We have schnauzers and a little wiener dog that's afraid to get wet, just from the grass being a little bit wet here. You ain't getting out. I'm not going to show the house. But I did clean a lot of this up already and just stacked it up there. That's because I had this thing zoomed in. Stacked it up there. I got to clean the outside of it. We're probably going to be getting turkeys and putting them in there. More birds. Like I said, it's basically a bird farm. These have been kind of laying eggs, but not as well. The rooster just keeps mating with the fat chickens, and the fat chickens don't really produce eggs. We've had, I think, 3 out of a total of like 12 I've seen. The other ones have been egg yolks on the ground, because the fat chickens just can't really produce eggshells, apparently. We're giving them stuff they need. They get churned up eggshells of what we have here, so that gives them the calcium they need. But apparently the chickens were also, the smaller chickens were also trying to break open one of the eggs they found before the girls got to it. Also, I think it just has to do with it being so cold. Who knows? Oh, there he goes again. Oh, no, wait. I think he got a red one this time. It looks like it. Let's watch. What? There's no reason for you to be crying right now. This is for your own good. Oh, it is cold. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Greg just went to the ER. He has about 50 pounds of fluid in his stomach. He's getting all kinds of blisters all over his legs, more than before. So he's still peeing. So supposedly doesn't sound like kidney failure. So I don't know what else would be doing it. Oh. We always seem to have a lot of crap happen around holidays. There's Bonnie. Bet she's gonna come out here telling me she's cold. No, not right now. If I have to stand up to get away from it, I will. The dogs, I couldn't even bury them. No. Our ground, like, that's about as much as we got. Like, I had to dig a trench right here because we had so much coming in. And as soon as you get right here in the center of this, it starts getting dry again. It's just rock. It's ridiculous, dude. We didn't get enough rain. We need a lot more. It is what it is. Oh, yeah, and let's see. I got a haircut because I'm just tired of seeing my cow lick. Yeah. I'm tired. I didn't sleep at all last night. Cluster migraine right now. CVS still has my injector delayed. Stupid reason. I feel like if I don't force procedure tonight, I'm gonna have one tomorrow during Thanksgiving. Which means I do. I guess I hate having to interrupt holidays when we're already having so much interrupt holidays. Just can't catch a break. You're not getting out, man. Well, this is Rawberrys Farm signing off.